to produce more fear, right? Because fear is what? A form of light magic that they are tapping into. This is what you gotta understand. This is what you gotta understand. Fear is a form of light magic they're tapping into. Ritual. So, dark magic is all positive. Dark magic is all positive. All right? It doesn't require anything with where you have to try to dominate the next individual to create. Dark magic, we strictly about protecting ourselves and creating positive results to boost up the frequency of the planet. That's dark magic. If we made a spell anciently, it was to create new animals, to create new shrooms, shrubs, herbs to help heal us, to help heal the planet. Where do you think all these herbs and plants come from? Most of your plants and animals that are here, they can't even explain to you where they came from. That's where the whole fucking theory of the Big Bang come from. Because they didn't want to be honest with you and say, I'm going to be real with y'all. Y'all ancestors was some fucking master magicians who created everything from scratch. Like, they would say it and it would just appear. That's how all this shit got here. We spoke it and it appeared. We created it and it appeared. We created the planets. We created the galaxies. All of that shit. We just spoke it. Because we was tapping into source, into the dark matter, energy within us, the dark magic, the ancient ones. Thus we are. And remember, it's all about your intent. Our heart chakra was pure. So our intent was pure, making the magic more powerful. This is dark magic we talking about. The most powerful form of magic. Dark magic. It's only used to create, to help make the planet better or to protect ourselves and our species. Dark magic. All of your animals, all of your plants, all of this stuff that got here, it just, we spoke it right into it, and thus it was. This is a fact. Go research evolution. None of this shit, that's where it evolved. Go research evolution. They can't tell you where none of this shit came from. They know. They just don't want to tell you. So instead of telling you, they say, oh, it was a big bang, boom, everything just happened, and then everything evolved. Everything came crawling out the water. They can't tell you where none of these animals come from. They're still discovering animals to this motherfucking day. Every time you look up, they discovering a new species. Every time you look up, they are discovering a new species. Are they or are they not? Yes. Why are they still discovering new plant species, new animal species, new insect species? Why? Because all of this shit is here and they don't know nothing. And they can't tell you where it came from and how it got here. So it's much easier to say, hey, it was a big bang and then everything just came. That's what they tell you. It was a big bang, boom. And then everything clustered together and life began. No, it did not go like that. We were using dark magic to create everything you see and everything that you don't see. And this is why so many species under the ocean that they don't know shit about. So many insects, birds, animals they don't even know about. They still discovering shit. Like the post I post on Instagram and the post I post on this website. That's a siren. Motherfucker told me Fiji mermaid. This ain't no goddamn mermaid. The mermaids and mermen look like us. With fish-tails at the end. That's too small to be a mermaid or a merman. But in that museum at Clearwater Marine Aquarium that we went to, I posted the picture right here in the blog and on the web and on Instagram. They have her listed as a Fiji mermaid. Lies, because they don't know shit about our realm. We are magical beings who have used dark magic to create everything. So they can't tap that far. They like, oh shit, what the fuck? We don't know what this is. We knew about this, but it's some more shit. This is why they stay under the ocean. This is why they stay under the ground. All right? So you got to understand that that's dark magic. All right? And dark magic is the most powerful form of magic. This is why if somebody like, let me use YP for example. He's under a spiritual attack. MK Ultra as well. And because he's under that, right? Because he's under that, you see him doing all this weird, crazy shit. Because he has no spiritual protection. He not in tune with his ancestors and all that. He was big into the Egyptian theology. But the Egyptian theology, we are so much more advanced than that. And majority of the Egyptian theology, they start mixing up our shit from ancient Kemet and putting out all this bullshit about us, not really letting us tap into source of the dark magic. All right, you have to tap in with your ancestors. You have to tap in with these Orishas. You have to tap in with these angelic forces within you and these demonic forces within you. You have to tap in with that. That's all you. YP wasn't doing that, right? So now you see him going through this. He's able to be attacked from them because of that. And on the outside, you see people trying to clown him, make fun of him, say he crazy. And that ain't what happened. You know what I'm saying? Nobody just does that. He's under attack, and now they're using light magic to let entities into him. Because with MK Ultra, once they get your avatar, then they can let anybody in. And that's what you see. That's what you see. All right? But he stopped at Egypt. He should have went deeper, right? He would have gone deeper, would have showed him like, okay, I have to connect to my ancestors because it don't stop in no goddamn Egypt. Before pharaohs, we was gods, right? So you see the light magic at play, right? And I'm going to dive deeper to what the light magic is right now. Space is light magic. I'm telling you, this is all space. There's no such thing as space. Where there is space, there is energy. Where there is energy, there is life. I repeat, they taught you it's space. Like right now, space between me and this phone, it's no space. Where there is space, there is energy. Where there is energy, there is life. That's all light magic. Time. The belief in time that has you counting birthdays, celebrating years, counting years. Light magic. Negative energy. Light magic spell. That's light magic. The belief in space, the belief in time, light magic being used on you. The alphabets, the words, all the words have been contorted for you to curse your days. Instead of saying GM, you should be saying Grand Rising. Instead of saying understand, you should be saying I overstand or understand because you don't stand under anything. Okay? When you say you understand, you now put whatever it is that you say you understand above you. So that's a form of light magic. The words, light magic. The shape of the house, light magic. The cloth that we are forced to wear, light magic. Because this constricts your electricity. Light magic. Making you cut your ether off. Light magic. Cast belief, fear is light magic. The colors they using when you're watching Netflix and you're watching TVs, light magic. This is all forms of light magic. Every single thing around you is damn near light magic. The skyscrapers that block out the sun, the fake clouds, light magic. All these telephone poles around you, that's tampering with your electricity. Light magic. This cell phone I'm holding in my hand that is literally designed to alter your cells, which is why it's called a cell phone. Light magic. The monetary system is a form of light magic because now you believe in that without this money, you can't attain anything. That's light magic. But if you was into dark magic, you could literally use a form of dark magic called prosperity magic to will to you whatever it was that you wanted in this material realm. But because you are not tapped into dark magic.
Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media using hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.